Hi, good evening. After budget day, today also there was a gap down, and today after gap down there was not much move, and almost it was in the sideway movement today. So how we have taken the trade today, that we will discuss. So we'll go to the trade details. You see here, this is the first 5-minute candle, 9:15 candle, which got opened around 23,320 from yesterday close of around 23,496. That means nearly 280 points gap down. So again, see, it is closed 23,262. Hence we selected 23,300 and 23,300 P. Both we have selected. So if you see in the C side indicators are supporting in the first candle itself, and the candle is also red, which is showing as a bearishness. But whereas the gap down was more, you see here 23,300, which was yesterday closed 265. Today after 9:15, it has came down to 149. 115 point, 120 point, not 15, 120 point single down. In such type of scenario, we love to wait. We cannot trade immediately. We cannot take the trade immediately because of fear of missing out, FOMO. You know, so this already it has gap down by 120 point, and further how much we can expect, that is the question. So whether it will go further down or it may get reversed, we cannot able to predict such type of movement. If it is a 20-30 point gap down, then we can predict the movement in the first candle itself. So hence I was not taken any trade. How that second candle is behaving, so waited. So second candle also red, but whereas which has not broken out in the first candle. Hence we waited for third candle also. Third candle got reversal. That is a good sign. Once it is going reversal, normally as per our trading strategy, price should go up and down. There should not be in the one-way direction for a longer period. So if it is going up means there is a chance of coming down also. Hence what we did, below this candle 135, we put the stop loss trigger order here. This area we put the stop loss trigger order 135, 136 we put the stop loss trigger order. So this area we put the 136, we put the stop loss trigger order. We waited for the breakout, which got entry in the 9:35 candle, got the entry. Then immediately what we did, immediately we put the stop loss in the top of this candle. We entered 136 and put the stop loss around 156, 20 point. Stop loss, we put the 20 point, we put the stop loss. Then if you see this candle got closed, second candle made a like hand means hammer type of candle. So hence there is a chance of going down. So hence we have changed the stop loss to near 149. We entered 136. We changed the stop loss little below. Then ultimately next candle came down. But whereas you can see here the accelerator indicator is giving the reverse signal. This area you can see, this is giving the reverse signal. So hence we cannot able to keep the longer stop loss. Since what we did, we have closed to the 123. Means we have put the stop loss 123. What we entered is 136. So here stop loss got triggered, we booked around 13 point here. Booked 13 point. Okay. Then afterwards, if you see in the P side also, P side if you see, there is a indicator support. Here there is no indicator support. If you see in the first 5 minute means candle, here there is no indicator support. And indicator support we are getting only this area around 10 only we are getting the 10 only we are getting the indicator support. Here what we exited around 9:50, then 10:10 means 20 minutes there was no trade. Then after supporting this 10:10 candle, what we did below 10:10 candle we can able to take the trade, but whereas the below 10:10 candle is above the 15 EMA and below the 5 EMA, that is within the range of 15 and this one, and the alligator is also in the bottom. Hence what we did, the previous previous lower low around 120 it was there. Around 120 we put the stop loss trigger order. In the 120 we put the previous lower low, we put the stop loss trigger order. If it is lower low is touching it, then we can able to take the trade. Then we waited and the trade also got activated. Trade also got activated and we put the stop loss immediately in the top. So 120 and 133 we put 13 point, we have put the stop loss top order. And here if you see, this is the 1025 candle, that is a small candle like a doji type of candle, hence we are not changing the stop loss, and further two candle also green candle, hence we are not changing the stop loss trigger order, stop loss order. And if you see in the 1040 candle is a very good candle, hence we put the stop loss to around cost. So again if you see 1045 which is red candle, but whereas this 1040 candle is very good candle, it's around 20 point candle, 22 point candle, hence we have changed the stop loss immediately to the near to the this 105, so which got triggered actually, here what we booked 120 minus 10, 15 point we booked here. Here straight away we got the 15 point. Booked. Then afterwards, if you see in the C side there was no trade. So trade where it is getting activated, you can see here. Okay, trade is getting activated and this area only. In the C side, if you see, around 11:45 candle only giving the this one means indication. So hence we can put the stop loss trigger order below this candle only. We can able to put the stop loss trigger order which has not triggered so far. And here if you see again stop loss means indicator P side where it is supporting indicator, here already we have taken the trade, and the further support if you see, further support is here only, that is nearly this candle, that is 12 o'clock candle. 12 o'clock candle only giving the support. So if it is 12 o'clock candle is giving the support, if you see the immediate fractal is, we'll have to see immediate fractal, and this alligator and actually indicators also we'll have to see. This candle already got breakdown. So indicator breakdown is there. So hence what we did, this is the green candle. Once it is making the green candle, below this one we put the stop loss trigger order here. Here we put the stop loss trigger order, and stop loss we put the top. Here we put the stop loss trigger order. So we entered 101, and with immediately this, after this closing of this candle, already we got the entry. After closing of this candle, we put the stop loss trigger order in the 108. 101 we entered, and 108 we put the stop loss trigger order, which got already triggered, and here we lost around 7 point. Here we lost 7 point. 15 minus 7 point. Okay. So which is not again what we waited. We waited for the further this thing, because here and all accelerator indicator is in the green. Hence we could not able to take the trade. Here also in the top of the this thing we could not able to take the trade. Here only we can able to take the trade, which is already break down to this area. Already got break down to this area. This area only. Here we got, means this kind only giving the breakout. This only giving the breakout. But here we cannot able to take the trade because this is already came down to very low. So hence here the risk is more. Hence we have not taken the trade here. We have waited for that next candle. Then below that only we will put the stop loss trigger. If it is crossing this one, we can able to take the trade. So hence we have not taken any trade here. And if you see again, this is the once again this is the trade. Means here 420 we got the 1420, means 220 we got the stop loss trigger order, means indicator support. 415 itself we got the indicator support. Hence we put the stop loss trigger order in this area. This below this one we put the stop loss trigger order because this is the candle. This is the candle got entered, means we gave the breakout. Hence we put the stop loss trigger order this bottom. So 82 we put the stop loss trigger order, and immediately we put the this also, means around this is the around 15.5. Here we 80 we put immediately, we 80 in the top of this one. 82 we put the this one trailing stop loss, which got triggered. Means here we booked 3 points we booked here. And actually what we can do here, the after 3 o'clock there is no need to keep as it is. We can book. Actually what I did, actually I tried, because I have not the last minute, this is last minute candle. I tried to 76. 83 we entered and I tried to 76. That means 4 plus 3 7 point. We already booked actually myself. But actually if you are going for as per the system, then you will have to keep only, you can get only 3 points only. Since it is more than 3 o'clock, just I tried very close to this thing. That's the thing. So here what we 7 point we lost. Again we booked 7 point. That means 15 point totally we booked. P side 15 point we booked, and C side plus 7 is equal to 15 point we booked, and C side, if you see C side 13 point, 13 plus 15 20 we booked today 28 point. That is very good. This thing, it's as per our this thing, more than 20 point booking also. It's a good day for us. So today 20 means 15 equal to 28 points. 28 point total means it's a very good this thing. Here if you see, the thing is that we were taken only 3 trades here. Out of that 4 trades. Out of 4 trades, 1 trade we lost and 3 trade we benefited with a small point, 10 point, 13 point, 15 point, 7 point, like that we benefited. So this is the beauty. We will have to keep watch and we will have to wait for the entry. So if you are waiting for the entry and taking small this thing, there is a 2-3 advantages here. One is unnecessary, we will not be the panic, because we are taking the trade without any confirmation and we will be under panic. That situation will not happen. Second, we are not giving any unnecessary charges for the means broker or as well as government, and the unnecessary taxation we are not generating because of the over trading. And third, we are not even increasing our transaction. Overall, you can see in the yearly transaction, that is also we are not increasing. Yearly transaction also we are not increasing. And finally, we are estimating, means we are planning and executing, and we are taking the calculated risk. That is also one of the advantage. Calculated risk means we are taking only 15 to 20 point calculated risk. The end of the day, the worst case, if you are going also 20 point only, you will going to lose, which we can already planned, which we can that will not going to affect our day. So hence ultimately my suggestion here is, there is no need to go for any other strategy like overnight strategy, then any other straddle, strangle or anything. There is no need for that. we can just, we love to keep away the FOMO, that is fear of missing out. That we love to keep away from our mind. So we should not hurry for taking trade also. We should follow our strategy, we should follow our rules, and we should wait for taking the trade based on our setup. That will give each and every month for profit only. That is my last 6 month experience in the Williams strategy, Williams alligator, Williams fractal, as well as awesome oscillator, accelerator indicator. These four are the key indicators and oscillators for our trading setup. And additional confirmation is our PSAR as well as 5 EMA and 15 EMA, which are our additional confirmation. With that, we are every day we are executing the trade, and every day we are in the profit either in small point 10-20 point, or sometimes in the big point 70-80-100 point also. Definitely, if you are following this system, day by day we will be improving our bank balance. Thank you for watching. Keep watch the trade and give your suggestions, and if any clarification is there, feel free to contact me. I will guide you further. Thank you.